With the Apple Support app, you can get help with all your Apple products in one place, or connect with an expert. Apple Support is free in the App Store, and it's automatically personalized for you, showing all the devices and services linked to your Apple ID. Support tools can help you with tasks such as managing subscriptions, resetting your Apple ID password, and checking coverage without leaving the app. To find out about the latest features and to get the most from your devices, check out articles and videos recommended just for you. If you have questions about a device or service, Apple Support helps you find solutions. Tap a device or service, and you can search for your issue or browse the support topics. For example, to find out how to update iOS, you can tap Update Now to check for an update directly in Settings, or you can read an article or watch a video. You can even get individual help from an Apple expert by tapping the message or call buttons on selected topics. If you ever need a repair, Apple Support helps you find the best option, whether your device is under warranty, out of warranty, or covered by AppleCare Plus. To get started, tap your device and then look for the type of repair you need. The app helps you find a Genius Bar or Apple-Authorised Service Provider near you. You can choose a provider by location or the quickest availability, and then schedule and confirm your appointment. Download Apple Support from the App Store today to find solutions for all your Apple products all in one place. AppleCare Plus and certain app features are not available in all countries and regions.